Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to construction industry. Today I am going to discuss about tangent command, how to use tangent command in AutoCAD. First of all, I would like to say something about tangent. What is tangent? Whenever a line touch circle with only one point, this is called tangent, or a line which meet at circle with one point, this is called tangent. For example, we have a circle, this is a circle, and this line and circle only touch each other with one point, this is called tangent. If a line touch a circle with 2 points, this is called secant. For example, if we have a line and it touch this circle with 2 points, one this point and one this point, this is secant. Now I am going to discuss how to use tangent command in AutoCAD. For example, if we want to draw a column section, this is a column, and we want to draw here rebar, means reinforcement. How can we use tangent command? For example, if I want to make here circle, actually this tangent command is a sub command in a circle command. Let's start how to use tangent command. C, enter, T, enter, select this line and then this line, then enter radius of circle. I would like to enter radius of circle 0.02. okay, we got this circle, and this is tangent to this line and this line. We can, if we can zoom, only one point touch. Similarly here only one point touch. Again I want to make this circle here. C, enter, this is sub command 3p 2p, tangent radius. C, enter, after T, enter, select first line, then second line, and put radius of circle 0.02. This circle is tangent to this point and this point. Similarly, if we want to draw circle without tangent point, it will be very difficult. For example, C, enter, I want to draw circle with this point, for tangent. It is very difficult. I will move it again and again, maybe it waste a lot of time, but using tangent command it is very easily. I hope you have understand it. Thanks.